Voila! Hello, assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Ibrahim Muslim, and today I'm going to review a special software for you guys. So this software is from Digitary Softwares, and Miss Katie Lee sent me this software so I can review it to you guys. So this software is extremely special because it is a 3-in-1 software, and it includes multiple great, and you can say a great set of features you can use as a daily tool for your video editing and recording, and even your screen recording. So this software is MacX Video Converter Pro, and this software is specially designed to convert different video formats to a variety of different video formats. So you can use this software to convert your VLC, or you can say MKV file, to an MP4 file, and you can use it to convert Windows Media file to an MP4 file. And it is special because it is really fast, and the Digitary software call it as the world fastest video converter, and it also has the latest, the greatest, most optimized video format, which is H.265. So the H.265 format is the latest video format which is natively supported on High Sierra, and it is special because it takes less amount of space and same amount or greater amount of quality for your video. And this software can also be used as a video downloader, YouTube video downloader. So if you want to download anything from YouTube, you can use this software to download file up to 4K. And remember, it's not legally allowed to download YouTube videos, but still you got something for your personal use. And then this software is also useful if you want to use it to record screen and to record yourself through your webcam. And this is really special if you make video tutorials like me for your viewers, and it's full of features. In the end, this software, you want to buy it, you can get it at a discounted price of $29.95 right now, because 35% is off, and that is really special because that's just under 30 bucks. And this video converter supports up to 200 different formats, so I think that's reasonable. And let's go to the computer screen and see what we get from this software. So we are on our computer screen, and now I will show you the top features this software has. So first of all, this software is specially designed for converting videos from one format to another format. You can guess that from the name of the software. It's MacX Video Converter, and remember, it is also available on Windows as well. I don't know why they name it with MacX, because that makes it specific, but you can see they just increase their approach, and now it is available for Windows as well. So I have two videos converted already here, and these two videos are in the latest compressed format, and the latest one is H.265, which is also known as HEVC. So I will show you what you got. So this is, let me zoom. You can see the both formats are right here, and let me show you. So this one is telling it's MPEG-4, and this one is telling it's MPEG-4, and one is 103 MB and other is 407 MB. That means it's like 3 times larger than the other one. So let's go to the get infos and see what's the difference. So right here you can see one is in H.264 format, other one is HEVC. Both support AAC format audio, but look at the size difference. Both are 3 minute and 11 second long, both are 3 minute and 11 second long, same resolution, everything is same. And I will open the videos as well. You can see the quality comparison, but look at the size difference. It's almost 3 times smaller, and that's a huge improvement in the size management, or you can say storage management. So let's go to somewhere middle and pause. So this is 1 minute and 39, 1 minute and 39. So you can see both of these files give you exactly same quality, but the size is about 3 times smaller. So I want to pick it up. Oh, come on, boy, look at this. So almost same quality, just the difference is in the size. And now let's go to the features of the software itself. So here you have a couple of videos format you can convert the video into. Just open the video, and then it will give you a plenty of different profiles you can use. These are, you can say, ready-made profiles, but you can create your custom profiles as well. Here in Android pad, you got a lot of different Android pad details. You got Apple devices. You just need to select the device you want, and it will select the most optimized version or most optimized format for your device. Sony, Microsoft, Android pads, BlackBerry, Nokia, YouTube, Facebook, and hell of a different formats. And the converting speeds are fabulous. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to convert a 3-minute long video into another format. And especially if you convert anything from a different format to an HEVC format, it takes comparatively less time converting it to another format. So after this, you have a lot of different possibilities to use it as a converter. Then we will move to something special, which is downloader. So here, this is the YouTube downloader. Even though downloading YouTube videos is illegal, but you still have a application which can download a video ASAP. So let's, for example, let's open my video. So we'll go to my video and ta-da, and we will go to my channel, and here I will copy the link of this video, and then I will paste this link over here. So we'll just click paste and analyze, and it will take around 2 to 3 seconds to analyze the video. And now you have all the formats the video is uploaded in. So starting from 4K, 2K, and down here. So right here you can see the 4K format is VPX and the 2K format is H.264. So we'll download in MP4 format, even though you can run this VPX format using Chrome, but just let's download it in this format. And after doing this, you just click download, and it will first analyze the video for a bit. After this 11 MB of analyzation and something I don't know which is related to the software, after this thingy completes, the video will start downloading, and depending on the amount of bandwidth located with your videos, the download speed will vary depending on the video to video. So let's see how much bandwidth YouTube dedicate to my videos, and that's not too much fast, but that's enough. It's downloading at about 7 MB per second, 7.5, 7 MBs. So this speed is normal. And if you download a popular video like a viral video or something, it will take like seconds to download if you have a good internet connection. So let's stop this and let's move out of this downloader, and here we get the recorder. So I'm using another recorder right now, because if I record using this software, then I will not be able to show you how this software works. So right now my screen resolution is 308 by 1692, and I can use a full screen recording, and you can see it's recording live. So we'll just click record, and it will take like starting to record. And now I'm simultaneously recording with two different software at the same time, and we'll see the amount of CPU the applications are using. And right now the top one is Macax Video Converter. It's using more CPU than the ScreenFlow recorder, which is using just 25% of the CPU recording. And we have recorded enough, so let's close this, and it will show me the recorded video, and we can see if the frame rates are good enough. Because it's double recording, the frames might drop a lot, but I think it's reasonable. And because the video is also at almost 4K, so it depends as well on the video. So let's close this, and let's close this as well. So we have done with 3 features. Now there is a camera option as well. If you have a camera connected to your system, then you can display the camera here, and here in the photos you can convert the photos from one format to another format as well. And in the end, you can also use high engine quality, de-interlacing, merge, and auto copy features for converting your videos from one format to another format. So that's all about this Macax Video Converter, guys, and that was a brief review of the software. If you want to have a detailed review of this software, even more detailed, then let me know in the comment section below, and I will make another video on it. If you have any question, query, please feel free to ask below in the comment section. I will try my best to respond as fast as possible. And that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and until the very next video, please take care. Allah Hafiz.